Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to unbox some Happy Mail. So, Robin, who is one of my regular subscribers, has sent me stuff before. She gathered up another box of goodies to send to me, and I'm hoping that some of these I can use in future giveaways, possibly in um, either random acts of kindness or in my DP for Vets event, which is coming up in November. I haven't opened this yet. I did cut the box open, but I haven't actually looked at any of this yet. So you're going to be getting my first impressions as I open this. So let's just dig in and see what Robin sent us. So, guys, oh, dryer sheets. I'm actually going to hang on to these because then I can use them for something else. So we get a kit, super cute. It's got a moon on it. Ooh, this is another kit. Looks like a rainbow or a unicorn or a rainbow unicorn. Another kit. Ooh, what is this one? Oh, it's a very pretty owl. Look at the blues and purples in that one. Very pretty. Okay, we've got a tray, those heart trays. Love those. Ooh, what are these? Oh, they're like little pencil cases, storage cases that you can use for something. How cute. This one has little insects, snails, ants, ladybugs, etc. Ooh, this one has rocket ships. That's pretty cool. Okay, so there's two of those. Oh my gosh, it's like Christmas. I'm so excited. Okay, a 28 slot container for storage. Oh, look at these pretty stickers. Little flower stickers. They're kind of puffy stickers too. Those are cute. Then what's in here? Tweezers. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's a bunch of different colors of tweezers. These are cute. I might steal these pink ones for myself, but I love the green and this kind of bluey purple. Those are adorable. Okay, so tweezers. Gosh, thank you so much, Robin. This is so awesome. And then we get all kinds of washi tape. Look at that. Got some pretty gold. Oh, there's a skeleton one. That one's got just dots on it, flowers, a mustache. Oh, there's another one with bow ties and mustaches. Little Pac-Man looking ghosts. Those are super cute. Okay, so lots of washi tape that I can add into random acts of kindness. What are these? Oh, more tweezers. Cool. And we get some round wax in the pretty, I love it when they come in these containers. It just keeps it easier to be contained. Love that. Ooh, some more of those angled fancy tips. Definitely can give some of those away. What is in all these little... Oh my goodness, Robin. Wow. There's a whole set of bunch of different kinds of tips in here. There's a pen and two pretty placers. Oh my gosh. Let's see. What is this one? Well, it doesn't say what the scent is on these. This one is kind of Christmassy with cinnamon, and I can tell you that one. I'm not sure what this one is though. Cool though. I love pretty placers. If you guys have never used one, awesome. Those would be something I'd love to be able to include in my DP for vets. Okay, so there's one of those, and there's three of those. What's in this one? You guys, I'm so excited. It's like Christmas, but early. What's in this one? Oh, cool. Okay, so round crystal gems. Aww. She made me some little cards that say random act of kindness with my little logo on them. Robin, that's so awesome. Thank you. Ooh, some very pretty purple ABs. That's awesome. Some more ABs. Ooh, those say distracted by diamonds. And then there's some patty wax. It's like a little a little frog. I don't know what it smells like. You can't really smell it. It says alien something. Gosh, Robin, those are so cool. Thank you. What does it say? Does it say something on the back? Oh, it just says a butterfly with random acts of kindness. Those are amazing. And then all of these little gems, ooh, that I could turn into cover minders or something else. Well, these little packages are my favorite so far. Goodness gracious, that's a lot of stuff to fit in one thing. Okay, so there's that one. And then we get another kit. It looks like keychains. Oh, their little feet. How cute is that? That's keychains. What is this? Oh, more more stickers. All kinds of flowers. Be kind. Oh my gosh, that's what my you guys, I'm sad. I told you guys in my last whip and chat I'm ordering a new iPhone. And we ordered, it's got the MagSafe, so I can just lay it down and charge it instead of having to plug it in. But if I do that, I can't use my pop socket on the back. And my pop socket says be kind. So now I can put a sticker on my phone that says that. Cool. These are amazing. Definitely will be adding these into my little random acts of kindness. That's so cool of you, Robin. Thank you. You guys, this is so super generous. I can't even believe it. Okay, so we've got a mandala clutch purse as a DP item. Oh, what are these? Ooh, they're little Ziploc baggies. Do you want to store extra drills in these? There's 70 of these. That might be a good one. Oh, Robin, I have so many ideas. You're not even going to believe it. Okay, so different cover minders. Oh, is that what she did with these to make them? Oh, and they're stuck together. Look at this cute rabbit. Oh, if these are all different. Oh, Robin. Oh, that's adorable. I love that heart. That's so cute. Aw, I love the little bee. And the star. Those are so cute. So cute. I'm going to have to send her something super special for doing all of this. I can't even believe that. Oh my goodness, look at all of that. All of these little heart-shaped waxes. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I love it when they come in these little heart shapes with the little containers. Keep the wax from getting all nasty and messy. So cool. Oh my gosh, I'm missing things. What is this? Is this more tweezers? You guys, it is. It's more tweezers. All those same colors. More tweezers. Oh, what is this? Oh my gosh, you guys, she made me a bunch of cover minders. Aww. So those kinds that I showed you before are probably all the kinds that there are. And then she's made a whole bunch of them for me to include Robin. Oh my gosh, I'm overwhelmed. That's so amazing. And even more in this bag, and I'm going to guess even more in this bag. Yes, these are all 3 of these are filled with cover minders that I can put in my random acts of kindness. You guys. Oh. Okay, dryer sheets. Let me save those. Okay, what is this? Whoops, that's another dryer sheet. Oh, very cute. Stickers, butterflies, animals, fish. More cute stickers. Oh, look, little flowers, little handmade paper flowers. And more stickers, koi fish, butterfly, and cowboy boots. That's so amazing. And what is this? Aww. Okay, so this is hilarious to me. Now, I didn't show you guys, but she addressed this package to Daphne Drives the Mystery Machine because my name is Daphne. And yes, for years, I've gotten all kinds of things because of Daphne from Scooby-Doo. So I think that's hilarious. Oh my gosh, specifically made for my random acts of kindness. You guys, oh, Robin, thank you so much. I can't That's so amazing. You guys, this is why I love this channel. I I get such a sense of community from this and doing the events and talking to people on social media and I've gotten so many of you when I send my random acts of kindness who have said, that came at just the right time. I was having a bad day, something bad happened in your life, and it appeared at just the right time in order for you to have a little pick me up. And you guys, that's all I've ever wanted out of these random acts of kindness is that somebody would get a smile from it. I feel so amazed. I get more than I need, and I so want to share it with everybody. So when somebody else does this so that I can continue to do that, I just think it's so super amazing. I don't know if I'm even going to be able to get all of these back in here, but I'm going to try. So excuse me while I gush about this as I try and fit everything back in here. Robin, just sincerely from the bottom of my heart, thank you. I'm really honestly overwhelmed. I can't even, I don't know what to say. Oh my goodness. Just, yeah, super, super generous of her to provide me with all of these items that I can, share with you guys in the future. And these cards, for the random acts of kindness, just, oh, and you guys, I'm going to show you the, cover minders one more time after I get some of this other stuff back in here because I am so definitely going to be sharing those with you guys. So I want you to be able to see them so that you can see what an amazing thing Robin did. Okay, so let me get a couple more things back in here just so I can put some things away. I'm going to have to go back over it all again anyway, but I kind of wanted you guys just to see again all of Robin's amazingness. Okay, so the B is one. The little star here is another one. This one is the rabbit. And then we get this one that is the heart. Now, I will go through, I don't want to open all of the other ones that she sent on camera because that would just take forever. But I will go through them off camera and see if it is just different versions of these or if her note says there's actually 30 different cover minders and you just get a unique one. If I find out that it's unique, I will put a little something down here at the bottom of the screen so that you guys can see it so that you know that. But yeah, that's so amazing. I love, guys, I never really liked cover minders, never really found a use for them. And now that I've made some of them and I see how cute they are, I want them all. So, oh, definitely going to be holding some of this back for prizes for DP for vets. They may not all be vet themed, but that's okay. Free is free, right? And so just the fact that I have just enough stuff to do giveaways and things. I was planning on doing some anyway, but I didn't know if I would have enough stuff. Now I definitely do. And again, Robin, just such a huge thank you to you. This is so super generous of you. And I can't even, these little cards are just amazing. I would never have thought to do something like that myself. So that's so cool. Yeah, I'm just over the moon. So everybody in the comments, please give Robin a huge amount of thanks. I will be trying to figure out something that I can do for her in just as a thank you. So yeah, you guys, just be sure you thank her because you guys are all gonna benefit from her generosity. So Robin, huge thanks again. Yeah. I'll be sending something to you personally, but I wanted to do this unboxing because I figured it was going to be this amazing and I wanted everybody else to see it as well. So again, just huge thanks. And you guys, you'll see all this stuff again. If you haven't signed up for a random act of kindness, you can find the link for that down below. I am way behind on that. I will tell you that. Having to send them out as I have money for postage. So if you would like to defray any of that by sending me some PayPal money or some coffees through Ko-fi, you can find the links for that down below as well. Don't feel obligated. It is not, I'm not by any means asking people that you have to donate to get a random act of kindness. You don't. But it does take me some time for me to save up the money to send them. So if you have already signed up and haven't gotten one yet, I will get to you. I promise. I will be sending some of these amazing things out. It just takes me a little bit. So I'm going to go find some tissues and wipe my eyes because I can't believe how generous Robin has been. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for hanging around till the end, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. As always, thanks for watching.